Turtle shells are important because they do give women a voice. The men are the ones that sing, and the women are the ones that use the turtle shells to make music. It was the turtle, the giver of life, that sacrificed herself to make noise for the women. A lot of our dance is about prayer, and you learn to pray. Just like in the beginning, I wasn't able to stay up all night long to dance. But as long as I got stronger, your prayers get stronger as well. It helps keep me healthy by keeping my muscles active. We stay in motion. We do a lot in the heat, so you build endurance as well as tolerance to the heat. Stomp dance is important to me to pass on to our younger generation and our children so that they continue to do it, to stay healthy, to restore and reclaim our culture.
Hawaii, Shannon Andrews in Ganyaki. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwaru Jaywi, Ta, Torigun.
Today we're making tomato and chicken pasta. For this recipe you will need 8 ounces of spaghetti, 2 cups of fresh spinach, 8 ounces of boneless skinless chicken breast cut into pieces, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, this is optional. In a large pot, bring water to boil. Cook pasta according to package. While pasta cooks, heat 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add chicken pieces to skillet. Cook 6 to 8 minutes and stir often for even cooking. Tomatoes are a traditional food. The Otoe word for tomato is Otoe-Missouria. Tomatoes are versatile and can be eaten raw, cooked, canned, dried, frozen, and made into juice. They come in a variety of colors including red, orange, yellow, green, and even purple. They are rich in vitamin C and vitamin A, and are associated with a lower risk of heart disease and certain cancers because they contain the phytonutrient lycopene. Once chicken is cooked, add tomatoes, spinach, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and crushed red pepper if using. Toss to combine. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes until spinach begins to wilt. Native American gardening before colonization was different than gardening today. Instead of taking from the land, Native American gardens made the land richer. The basis of modern-day plant breeding formed from Native American knowledge of planting and their complex ways of reproducing plants like tomatoes through cuttings and seed selection. When harvesting or selecting tomatoes, choose tomatoes that are firm, glossy, smooth, and plump. Tomatoes with the deepest color are the ripest. Drain pasta and add to skillet. Toss to combine. Change it up. Ground beef or bison could be used instead of chicken. Any type of pasta could be used. Try whole grain rigatoni or macaroni. Minced garlic could be used instead of garlic powder. Fresh tomatoes could be used in place of canned diced tomatoes. Vegetables such as bell peppers, onion, or mushroom could be added. For more flavor, try adding a sprinkle of Parmesan or mozzarella cheese. This recipe makes 4 servings. 1 serving is 1 1/4 cup. Enjoy!